This isn't dinner. This is pure temptation on a plate. Who's ready for salmon so juicy, glossy, and flavorful, it'll have you weak at the knees? Pat salmon dry. Then combine paprika, cayenne, Old Bay, garlic powder, onion powder, parsley flakes, and black pepper. Rub with olive oil. Season generously on both sides. Press it in so every flake hugs the fish. Heat 2 spoons of butter in a hot pan. Add 1 tablespoon of olive oil to raise the smoke point, so your butter won't burn while you sear the salmon. Flip once. Listen to that sizzle, golden edges, tender center. Drop in minced garlic. Let it perfume the butter for a few seconds. Whisk in 2 tablespoons of honey. A kiss of Old Bay. And a squeeze of lime juice. Watch it bubble into a thick, shiny glaze. Now add the salmon back in. Spoon that glossy sauce over each piece until it's glazed, caramelized, and irresistible. Just look at that shine. Sweet heat, buttery garlic, tangy lime. The kind of salmon that makes you close your eyes after the first bite. Save this recipe before you forget, share it with someone who loves flavor, and follow for more melt-in-your-mouth magic. Would you serve this with rice, mashed potatoes, or roasted veggies? #Honey Garlic Glazed Salmon.